Hello everybody. Today we are going to be talking about the Biosynth Creator, which is going to allow you to create a custom biosynth and use that biosynth in the game. To create a biosynth, you're going to start by going to the Home tab on the main menu, and then you're going to click this button that says Create. Once you are in the Biosynth editor, this is where you're going to be able to create your biosynth. The first thing you're going to do is choose the body type between the male and female model. You'll see, depending on which one you click, it changes it. Today we'll be doing a male model, and let's see, when you go through to the next thing, you're going to see the hairstyles. So as you kind of click through, you see that the hairstyles change. You'll see that depending on which, whether you're using the male or female, it doesn't matter. You're going to have all the hairstyles for each one. Some of them kind of look funny on different characters, but we have the option to choose the same hair for each one. So let's find a cool hairstyle for this avatar. Maybe let's go with this one. And so for this avatar, we are going to select this hairstyle, and then what you'll see is you can select a hair color right below that. So when you click on one of these colors, you'll see that a menu pops up with more options for those colors. So we are going to be able to select those. We have different reds that you can select. There's blues, there's greens, and then you've got your typical more blacks and whites even. And so I think we'll go with, maybe we'll give this one kind of like a blackish peppered look. Then we have eye colors. So if we want, we can kind of look at the different eye colors. You'll have all these different colors to choose from. When you click it, you'll see that the emissive is changing on the eyes. And then you've got the different skin color options. And so we can select which skin color we want, and so we'll pick this one. And then when we're done and we're happy with the way these features look, we click Next. Don't worry, you can always go back just by clicking this body, but when you're done with the body, you click Next and it brings you to the next screen. This is where you're going to be able to customize the clothing of the avatar. Same thing as on the last screen. When you click the color, you get more options, so you've got all these different cool options that you can pick. Maybe today we will go, well, let's start with a black, and then maybe, we can go through. If you see that these are changing this color here as the primary color, you can kind of see it has all these different colors to choose from. But today we'll start with a black, which is a color I like. And then you have the detail color. So this is going to change these kind of secondary colors. And you'll see that depending on which colors you choose, you still have this pop-down menu if you want to customize it a bit more. But then you can choose. So maybe we'll go with more of like a bronzish gold look, because I have an idea of what partner we're going to do this with, and I think it's all going to come together. So let's do that actually. If you go down and look at the Alliance tab, that's going to give you all of the partners that we have for our mainnet launch, all the different communities that are participating. And you'll see there's tons of options here for you to choose from. And what this is going to do is it's going to apply a patch. So if you see, if you don't want to do one of the partner patches, we also have the 8mo Army patch, and we have the Legionnaire patch. But you've got, tons of partners that you can see all their different patches coming on here. And I think today we are going to go with the infamous Trevor Jones, who's been a partner of ours from the start. Very happy to have him as a member of the 100. And yeah, let's do a Trevor Jones themed avatar on this one. We kind of already gave him the Trevor Jones look on the hair, so it's already working. I could imagine Trevor being behind that mask. Let's do this. And then you have this emissive color. And what that's going to do is it's going to change these highlights here. And so you can go and change it. And so it looks pretty subtle, but you'll see that when we get to the next part, this becomes a lot more important. So there's this overlay tab, and this overlay is going to evolve over time. It's going to be something that we add additional overlays in the future. But right now, if you register before our mainnet launch, so anytime before January 23rd, your account will be included and you'll be able to add this Legions overlay, which is only going to be available during the launch. So this is kind of a cool emissive overlay. As you'll see, if you change the colors here, this overlay changes. So I think the white looks really good with this, or the yellow looks really good with this. We'll go with the white for now. I think that adds a nice element. And then if we want, we can go back and we can change the different colors here. Maybe we decide, we want like a more whitish gray color, or maybe we want an all black color. I think that looks pretty cool. Maybe we'll go with this for now, with the black on black with the white and gold accents. I think looks super cool with the Trevor one. So once we've got everything there, we can go back and we can say, we want to change the hair, we want to change the hair color. Any of these things you can still do. But once you're done with everything, you're going to click the create button. When you click the create button, you're going to be taken to this loading screen. That's just the game thinking, creating the avatar. And once the game is done creating the avatar, we'll see what happens in the next screen, where you'll actually be able to select the avatar. So here's your avatar. It's on the Biosynth editor. You're going to click select Biosynth, and that is going to take you into the game menu. And then from there, you'll be able to initiate into the game itself. And we'll hit another loading screen before we get into the Outskirts. But then you'll have your character. So as you can see, here is the avatar we just created. It's in the game. We can dash, we can attack, we can do all the different things. And then all that's left is to go through those doors and go kick some DOF ass. So we'll wrap up with that. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, jump into our Discord or Twitter if you have any questions. But that will wrap this one up.